Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to open the Trust Wallet inside panel using Google Chrome. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the Trust Wallet extension. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to open up this Trust Wallet in the side panel. Well, it's quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on Settings, that's at the bottom right. Click on it right now. Once you do, this page will open up. Do you note that there are lots of options here? From here, you can simply change the network, you can view your secret phrase as well. But right now, all I'm gonna do is scroll down, and right here, as you can see, this page has opened up that says Open Inside Panel. Simply toggle this button right here. I'm gonna do it right now once again. Do note that I have enabled that button. Now what I'm gonna do is simply open up the Trust Wallet once again. And guys, that is it. As you can see, now Trust Wallet is opening up in the sidebar. In order to view Trust Wallet in full screen, what you guys need to do is simply go to Settings once again. So scroll down and simply toggle off this button that says Open in Sidebar. Once you've done that, simply close Trust Wallet once again and open it. And guys, that is it. That's how we open up Trust Wallet in the side panel. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.